you discussing amongst yourselves because you knocked out the leading medalists as well. So just what were the conversations like between the two of you, and just how did you decide on the rhythm that you had there?
I think getting on court, definitely there's a little pressure, but it's the kind of pressure you enjoy because you're playing in Delhi. So I think, yeah, even in the first set we were down 13-16, but then we got some tips from our coaches, and I think, yeah, after that we've implemented it pretty well. So yeah, I think I'm super happy. Even in the second game there were a few, it was pretty tricky, neck to neck, but then yeah, I'm glad we could stay calm and pull the game off.
And you know the crowd has been a talking point throughout these championships. Just can you talk to us about what difference does it make? Because you know we had the world number one Chi who also spoke about how it made a difference to him when he lost versus Ayush. So just tell us a little.
I
about
think
that.
at one point we were under pressure. The crowd was carrying us. So I just want to thank them and I just want them to say, keep believing in us, and I hope to give them more reasons to celebrate.
Trisa, anything from you about the match today? Just how are you feeling right now? Now it is the business end of the tournament, so the expectations are only going to be higher and higher. Not putting pressure on you, but just the crowd, how it's going to be.
I think the crowd is so amazing. I think even when we are in the first game, when we are down also, the crowd really carried us. And I think when it's happening in the home soil, we just need to show our the powerful matches and everything that they can see.
And just till your next match, how is the day going to look like for the both of you?
I think it's not going to be easy. I think they are like playing at the top level, and every points matters to us. I think we just need to believe in ourselves and just calm and just be present in that moment.
So you're going to rest.
Your second meeting against the world number 7 player. Did any kind of reading go behind, or you just following?
Not yet, but yeah, I think we'll just go back, food, stretch, get a good night's sleep, and then yeah, we'll work on our tactics and see what happens.
I mean, both
tomorrow.
attack and defense were just immaculate. You just talk.
But I didn't
I mean,
attack and
both attack and defense were both flawless today. Can you just?
I think obviously it's working really great, that the rotation and the attacking. We just need to keep on doing that, and yeah.
And just one win away from a potential medal. Is that playing on your mind at all now? I mean, how close you are to a medal now?
I think obviously it will be in our mind, but we just need to be present at this moment. Like we need to enjoy this victory and just take good recovery and just prepare for the next match.
How much confidence the athlete will give for the next round, this comprehensive?
It's definitely a huge boost of confidence because they've also fought really well. It wasn't easy to beat any of the pairs we've played. So yeah, it's definitely a huge boost of confidence, and we're just looking forward for the next match.
Overall, how you look New Delhi as
One
the host of this
second,
championship?
one question for one word.
Things got really tricky at the end of the first set. Can you talk about the importance of the setup shots, the shots that she set up for you to get, for you to close out?
I think that's very important, that in that crucial situation where Gaia just charged and just gave me chances, and that made us get that continuous 3-4 points consecutively, and I feel like that's great.
Can you talk about it? So,
Yeah, I think I just want to set up for her because she has a huge smash. So I know if she's gonna kill, it's gonna be. So yeah, I just want.
Go ahead.
Overall, how you look New Delhi as the host of this championship? Your experience as a host?
I think it's so great that playing here in the home soil and the crowd support, and everyone is seeing us how we are playing, and we just want to really focus, and we just need to enjoy this moment.
लोकशाही मराठी ऐका पहा जागरूक रहा.